Foundry seasoned, ready to use upon purchase. Use on all cooking surfaces, grills and campfires. Oven safe. Sauté, sear, fry, bake and stir fry to heart's content. Made in the USA. 10.5-inch square seasoned cast iron grill pan. A modern twist on a timeless classic, this large square cast iron grill pan features grill ribs that elevate food and collect cooking drippings. Product at a glance. The right tool to sear, sauté, bake, broil, braise, fry. Brutally tough for decades of cooking. Seasoned for a natural, easy-release finish that improves with use. Unparalleled in heat retention and even heating. At home in the oven, on the stove, on the grill or over the campfire. Top reviews from the United States. Great grill pan, but read and follow the care instructions. This grill pan is great. I live in an apartment but longed for the grill marks and enhanced flavor from an outdoor barbecue. I don't have good ventilation either, so indoor cooking that produces too much smoke is not a good idea. I was originally looking at electric grill pans, but most of them had reviews indicating they broke down easily. I like my regular cast iron skillet, so I gave this a shot. So far, I've made bratwurst, corn on the cob, different types of chicken, bacon and then caramelized onion after in the fat, for a quiche, eggplant, homemade ground chicken burgers with garlic and jalapeño, and zucchini. I've also taken it camping. Nothing has gotten stuck, and I only used cooking oil the first few times. The others were either naturally fatty or I used the drippings from fatty foods cooked prior, which really kicks food up a notch in terms of flavor.